snase no ono abo akwasinsia agena dwa dada ene na hofade no edimu osefata so de maye ayade akwasi de odresse wo no yada na se na de odi baabia na fe ma me kira diamond so agena dwa yi na we msi say adwuma na si ya wia na sa ene wo ma hofade ni nyina agina so pink na complementary green no ene me multicolored na so gusoro no na otim say ya wie enti ya mamu nyina kwa aba ya mache madofo papa bi me mamu ache mamu kwa aba
ya Josephia
na bibia aboko de
ya meti ase ade achi
ni je wo vim na wo de ahye mu no ho pa nyamenya okese wate
anopenso konfo kwa da nyum se asimetrim pa
anyomba emu de he
ne nyum ni nyina
wo so ne nyum nyina be
efri efiabosia ba benim
adwoya meyire
ebe ne nyina benim ne esi
ene adwen de oye enu ansa na wo da ho
wachi no no pepepe so many tibes and no miensa pa mu konfo kwa da nyuna simitiri mu ase
nyina
like the konfo kwa de
ba ku be pa na ebodon waso
what in na meto pa enyuna mre efisese na meto ba ku bi ba ku o de beji din pa debe ba ku twa video no kro ayi
okay o de anya hwe ye wi afre no na hwe bia
ma wachi o
kwa so afre no
ma be simitiri pa mechia no so pa
ojo so that
ya menka no ba bia wo bia
amen
said na so ya me back to a birthday my last born na no nya 3 years
happy birthday to your banner
Thomas
happy birthday to you oh yeah mema papa
eno so ye
eno so ye
me wi ano no
honorable akwasi buatin ho
yes and that's your bishop Taki ya boy birthday
okay
presiding bishop
aso baby ya kwa sorry
yes
on Adom praise no ye MC no
yes
David enyo
Taki ya boy
Adom ono ye ato akwa osofo ato akwa na ye MC no ono Reverend Kwamena Taki ya boy wo Yachi hey Victory Bible Church.
Victory Bible Church.
Papa, nyamishrao.
Ya ma happy birthday nyamishrao.
Yes no. Erade mfa bi nka ho amodin mu. Na nwosra no nya kese nya mo.
Amen.
Na wakwaba ne mu ntre.
Amen.
Na wona wopono na chiri ntimi nya kwan nwuram.
Yeah.
Na yeduru ahima mu ho no mu a yenyina akodi den sadanti. Nyamishrao pa na onya okese.
Ba me kwa maso na mene Gordon Akoga no and Deputy National Communications Officer de ma NDC amonyoko. Na otwe wie no moto omaba eyi mpanifo beda amonyoko na no mantam dunsia no ano. Ni nyina ne ba na wie ya na still ebi akem. God oti akem wa chado pay eba badwam dwumade so Adom TV.
Yeah.
Bako de.
Yeah, me Adom bi akama.
So far so good. Region Senate to about from Friday to Sunday.
You made us say Greater Accra actually the Northern Region at all, Central at all, Western Region at all, Western North at all, Volta, Ashanti, Bono Region, Savannah Northeast, Upper East and Upper West. Near Aka Ahafo, Bono East and Eastern Region. For Eastern Region, you know, here nim say Nyamepa weekend here ebe.
Okay.
And omobeto omodie. This week so no there are some few issues as I say clear e Bono East and Ahafo. Say kwan bemu na say Tuesday ye pen poma sibra ombetumi akwakoto amaba.
Baby to say Bono Region. Area 7 of the sitting executives echo on the post.
Yeah.
Baby to say Volta Region. Area the regional chairman are losing the seat. Ashanti regional chairman are retaining. DNA career NDC for ahead of 2024.
First of all, no make say NDC for appreciate Ejuma yedi 2020 elections because the results trend now. For instance, Ashanti region had, I think, about 90% of their people retaining their seats.
Yeah.
Oshe Oti regional, they also had same. Volta region had same. Just to say, almost chairman or there, almost a. And if you look at the results trend now, it can tell you, say, people appreciated the work of our regional executives all over because for Bono region, say, na obia on pese obe contest obi ho because eduma omoye ni the number of seats no we agreed say omayade and no wonder say only I think 3 positions or say 2 and I got so about ewo ho the result from Western region and Western North is also the same. There were a lot of unopposed and your contest so they were able to win their seats. Into basically Northern region results as well. The whole team, chairman, Fanikra NCA, Oka baby, Edipakwa, didn't see Nanaino, Yemi Penny Adom. On one, retaining no as Northern regional chairman. Secretary organize unless like Central Region, for instance. Yes, Central Region saw some few changes. And this is about Central Region power. Chairman Nankasadie Wankobiu. So they have a new chairman, a new communication officer, a new secretary, and all that. But the organizer retained this position, Mike Derry. Into Usha, baby ancestor Abakesi, you know. Make me say a Central Region, but all the others, the whole team, it be any papa who and be and it be free more. But the team for 2020, was the same year. So the results speak say the incumbents have done so well in the last elections, and amount for so we are looking forward to see how the other things go.
Penya ukene na it means now senka sa favor ni beto Chairman Joseph Adiko Kaso but ankwanko banesa anama for free say na dwuma ye na sinto abamunti ye hia ni ahemo so betimi apagya ye chibiem
medical dase ewo ye friend say anasa medical congratulate ahemo but so say the secretary, deputy secretary, organizer, communication officer, deputy, all incumbents have lost. Now, Chamadekoka, Elucia. Media may analyze because OSHA results are Adekoka, Enya, it is almost a trend. The last elections, he won with, I think, 35% or something. The last previous ones, the same thing. And at this time round, say if you are contesting a day, and look at the numbers. Asimo, Enya 327, Mike Kweti, Enya 297 thereabouts, and Adenya 222. So if you look at it, you can see say Honorable Ashon Enya 100 and BB. If you look at the trend, Utumo say Oka the first, Lodi first, the second Boma, it is very big. Let's say you are crossing about 550, and at the Enya 222. I think that there was something basically people had a challenge with Chairman Adekoka, but the reason behind it in the him to me and Cassia, because for me one thing about delegate elections, Obia or Adebinsia or the Tonabako baby or the Beko. So I wouldn't analyze it anyway, but looking at the fact
many videos are echo around Sika chair, laptops chair, any near Emadi or Muti, a B collapse, what would be a shock you as a national officer?
Okay. But I am also worried the rate at which Yana Nema Cheche Echo Abatumu. Mekakwa say about 8 years ago to prevent say Nkofobet Cheche and Nema to win votes and at the end, ready say a parliamentary elections, every card member of the party ever to Abanibi. When every member is a year, Nipa Hina Bini Momaka say, Okakoche Nima Ediamom. And also had a lot of infiltration. MPP for Dimbe say, Yakra Temua, Ombetua Bani before the parliamentary primaries. And when they call 2016 elections, you could lose to Bata 2016. And you know, Nanka ye try say, Yedi and no so no, Ebeba party structure, say, Ope Saudi constituency chairman. Every member, card-bearing member, pay dues, can vote for you.
Okay.
Anka enyama channel ebeba form. But going forward, no, ABB yeni ekoho.
Okay.
Because especially with the youth and women, and really because who taking baby to say ahafo 6 regions. Nipa omoto about edema women organizers, you know. Nipa 12. Women organizer and a deputy. And maybe say university be or as a polytechnic and as a tertiary institution be or women friends of commissioner who come and come who are on better abanobi. Into no averagely no a be 15 and a to abama women organizer and also to abama youth organizer. Nipa 15 say sika you can just pay them off. And it becomes worrying. Because sometimes no be obetuma ye adwuma no but only be na kwakoye assembly amano. So basically politics everybody must be worried about it.
But God you better ask me regarding Akogani Deputy National Communications Officer Dema NDC amuyukonam to send it komo aftermath of NDC regional elections. Yeah, across so far a few regions. Yeah, want to mean your home, Edma, and you may make sure about say, Ukuta the Chronicle. Ningo retroacless. Eh.
Enti yachewom. Na yachewom nensono. Enipa eti womu tradisi no. Baby womu tradisi no so womu akwakutu. Na Chronicle onipa owo hono mu a de bia ode trosem bata asem no hono. Me em say menye ne sesua na wasuon but trosem na nkasa ye yes na Adom there because we share asem na Chronicle de buy no na so share quotation no de buy Genesis 9:6 o say die ohwie onipa moja gu no onipa so na wonam be hwie ni moja gu efri say onyankopon so na oye onipa enti die onipa gu na no ana otwa so de omutimi ehwe obi titwa ya omotimi yakotu that is ochena bi so de hye na da ha no na ye kwa kotwa ne tibia Genesis 9:6 na chese de onipa gu ye no eno ana watwa enti Chronicle ensam no bi ka ho but o se bu Ecobank na wonim nipa bi so o se bu Ecobank last week no na o se o mo wo bibi o mo frɛ no EDC I had to say investment na ebia wo 1 Ghana na ya ma o message say bia koye 80 pesos in the name of BBB on introduce as market to market BBB. And tiase no enye juma papa no pay da Chronicle ni ma watch say EDC client accuse Ecobank of robbery, retraction and apology. Enti say omani ne pass a omo pacho. Say ye chronos a omo fankoto de da. Enti Chronicle nsem no de buy no bi no. But say nuanom nso na watch ye ye bo wan abaso say essential form oje abaso bono. Nyame hira wo nyina. Omonso omunyame so adwuma ase evangelist ena omoye no enti nyame so na nyame so Poshiagabo abasobo ni bi ho na se ne din bata ho a eti ne gie ni ho Poshiagabo wa ya de anuanum nyina so ma ya de ebinom so bo adwuma bata abasobo no na onsanka ebedu so eye nkakra enti Chronicle de eno no Afredamo ye Afredamo ai Asin
and I'm saying no crowd you Adom online.
I say what Adom online.
If you am kwata makulachi say.
I say what Adom online.
Multimedia agi abosobo ne makoma konso.
Ye denyame ase. Yeah. Ye denyame ase. To God be the glory. Enuanom nyina so ayiko omayade. Nti kwasi Chronicle de no.
Ne ma mefa the finder enso nto aso. Child Rights International for so bokwa kosi wa kyerɛkyerɛ for mo te atua na nse ho. Se adisuafo na nyehwe mo ne ma nipa wafo adwuma na etwe adisuafo ne kefo bai ye ti mote atwa ma nkwada ba betena fie to so kwa kosiu CCT
akwara ba ko wuye
oh ne teacher for me compare to so kwa kosiu CCT nagrat ana afeko bagden so Poshiagabo de so agina Port Carico chair first ministerial meeting of Forest and Climate Leaders Partnership. And also, the final the Bokata is and the Herald and so any ECOWAS auditors swoop on Ghana Armed Forces as GOAT soldiers swear its books on peacekeeping mission. Say as Ghana so near the Jim Coma ECOWAS for say nipa 5,000 they don't more ever peacekeeping. Kwako reach na 3. They are carrying a ghost names. The Herald, the Bokata de ever. Yeah, paper review. NPP MP puts Kenofrates deputies in tight corner. Mahama might not vote at NDC. Okay, there's so much we intend here. One to cry. Kali Bishops asks Akufo-Addo to cut down government and tackle corruption. The Herald. That's not the way. Ebefia.
Entieni ebeba online stories so na online the actual good trending news no be hana bay. Court has set a date for fake takrade pregnant woman e no. Enti nyame ya adoma ye bia ye behu ni nyina. And from 2020 till now, yes 3 police officers and more a committee suicide. Enti no so emu some trending news no. Enti ye ba de modi kaka wo de bonkrata no no dia. Na yes multimedia group no 7 awards 2021 GJ no any yakukuru dia banti and no ba your office hanum na Joy News, Joy Prime, Adom TV so ka ho Alfred Amo. Say wonim Alfred odinya na award no. Ya be mo na JP Maye no. Evans elephantiasis na kakra otumi amasese wo mate kura no nam ne ni di nkomo. O say oh be ma no huni bia no oda na se. Ohuno wo so e mate ohunu be bi obegina da na se. No. Ti nyame ehira Alfred ni team ni nyina. Ni team ni nyina moya de nyame hye obi anso a wono so ewe ni ye mo submit ye so mo anya no ma ne mu abam o mra so a de ye be so hye bu mu kure bepie ti mu nyina nyame ehira mu ti ho asam oba adomonline.com so a no ho asam eno no nansam foforo mu local news asimbreku. They say Central Region ho side Kofi Jema Yasama ne o ye ni ekumo na ekunkum masa enti e bi nso ne yesi 80-year-old woman bi nso ye kuna yutwa na ne part ni bi e de free ho no e ya asam a emu rem kakra wo ho ne ensama hodo bi wa adomonline.com o call myjoyonline.com so a ensama hodo bi so egu ho no monti no enuanom mienu mwadaroma sahwini ho bi mu dia Director Kofi Ampedu say yemfansi ha. Okay,
fiana ye kwai. Ma me fa ncha kese so nkoma menua pani ba ko be. Chairman agbesi. CEO ne ta FN.
Okay.
We dan sa no penso agibre na.
Oh she.